I chose Urban Bonfire for this project because it's both beautiful and functional. It really feels like an indoor kitchen has come outside. I love that it has the functionality to be able to withstand living by the beach in San Diego, but it's also totally gorgeous. It has some of the same functions as my indoor kitchen cabinets, which I love, like pull-out drawers, pull-out trash and recycling. It also has some great features that I love. The custom handles on each of them are beautiful, and it has the built-in shelves that I'm able to display some of my favorite outdoor kitchen appliances and plates and all different things. So it's a beautiful showpiece for the outdoor kitchen. When designing the outdoor space, I came into the challenge of the space that I had available. I wanted more cabinets and countertop to be able to prep and store all of my outdoor kitchen appliances and utensils, and that's where PIRCH came in with the idea of adding an island. I had never thought about putting an island outside, but it makes so much sense because I use my island inside every day. It gives me tons of space to prep the food as well as entertain, and the storage options are awesome. I don't have to run inside and out to grab utensils, bowls, plates, forks. All of that is right in my outdoor island. Working with Urban Bonfire's in-house design team was great. They were able to use the specs that I gave them to build an outdoor kitchen that was both beautiful and functional. I love that Urban Bonfire gives you the feeling of an indoor kitchen outdoor. The beauty and functionality are just as high as you would get with an indoor kitchen, but it's able to withstand living by the beach, being outside for years to come.